Hi everyone, and welcome back to an Emma's Crafts video. It's been a while. I'm just going to show you quickly some craft supplies that I use for my crochet. It's my little darning needles or embroidery needles as some people call them. I purchased this little kit off of Amazon, and I will pop the link in the description if you'd like to have a look yourself. So let's get into it. So there's many different varieties and sizes of hooks. I prefer these metal ones. They just sit comfortably in my hand, and my favourite go-to is a size 4mm here in the UK. But this is a size 7, so we're just going to find number 4. The little kit comes with, I think it's about 10 or 11 crochet hooks. It has your stitch markers, embroidery, needle, tube there that you can see, and a little measuring tape. This one right here. Apologies for the shakiness of the camera. I've actually got my tripod hooked onto a little lap tray, and my dog keeps trying to sit on my lap, hence the wobbliness. So as you can see, these little darning needles are blunt ended, so you can't hurt yourself on them, and it helps not to split the wool. And it's got a massive eye, so you can fit the wool through there. These are a stitch marker. Many different varieties available, but these are the ones that came with this little crochet kit. If I can get into the bag. So some stitch markers, they're like little loops that you just hook in and turn. These ones actually have a little clasp so that you don't have to worry about losing them, which I will show you now. There we go, just like a little badge, clips in and then pushes it to release to take it back off, like so. Handy little piece of kit those, to be fair. That's my little wool that I've won myself. I prefer them in cakes like this because they just pull from centre or pull from the outside. Just makes life so much easier. So that's everything. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.